Hello everyone, in this quick demo I will give a walkthrough of KRAG designed by Kriverra for simplifying last-mile reporting. Let's start with signing in. Let's dive into the KRAG user interface. This is the Tableau tab used for report generation. This report generator is designed to streamline your reporting process. Here we have to select the workbook from which we want to generate the report. This drop-down shows only the workbook your role has access for. Let's select Use Case 9 KRAG. User can also define multiple tags to remember why this report was generated. Let's add a tag Demo Report Generation. This section displays the available templates for the selected workbook, filtered by the current user's permissions. Now let's select the sample demo report and click on Generate Report. You can see a pop-up on the top showing report generation started. Here we have Recent Reports. Recent Reports section will show all the reports generated by you. Now let's refresh it. You can see report is generated, and download button is enabled. You can click on Expand to see the details, tags, report ID, status, source, processing time, created at. Now we can click on the Download button to download the report. Report is downloaded. Click on the report to open it. And just like that, a presentation quality Excel report opens up, ready for immediate delivery to your client. You can see the company logo here. You can see the company name and address here. Then report name and the another logo for the KRAG. We have added executive summary and marketing objectives. Here in the table we have region where text is rotated by 90 degrees. It can be rotated based on the needs. On the second column you can see state which is in different color, followed by other columns. We've frozen the top 11 rows here to make scrolling easier. This is completely flexible, so you can adjust the freeze pane settings to fit your specific layout. Here you can see the sales for which currency format is applied with dollar symbol. In discount column, percentage format is applied. And lastly, on sales forecast column, we have applied 2 decimal place formatting. Ready to automate your reporting? Or see KRAG in action with your own data? Let us show how you can eliminate manual Excel work and deliver custom formatted and branded reports in single click. To book the demo, visit our website kriverra.com or email us at support@kriverra.com. Thank you.